She was telling me a little bit about what's going on. You have a washing machine, I guess, that backs up and then, but it comes out the base of the floor.
Yeah. So, it's this one right here, this pipe.
Yeah.
So I can demonstrate right now if you want to see.
Okay. It's the drain pipe itself?
Yeah. Like, as soon as we turn on, like, it'll start, like, leaking from the the base.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pause this for a second. Because if we shut it off, I don't want a ton of it to come out everywhere. So, let's...
Oh, you're trying to switch?
Yeah.
I think if we shut it and then switch to drain, yeah. No, for power.
The only thing is that we have to be ready to pause.
Yeah, I'll hold.
Just in case. All right. And ready when you are. Pause it. Yes.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
But it's not coming out from here. It's coming out on the side of it. Which tells me, unfortunately, there might be a break. This is probably going to be... Is this gas or electric?
Electric.
All right. It might be easier to pull this out. We got to pull this out so that I can get back in there. I just want to watch the hose. Oh, nice and low. Perfect. Thanks. Oh, this has been backing up for a while. Like a long while. I can tell by the...
told us he fixed it.
I can tell by the smell.
Yeah.
I hate to do this because I don't want to flood out that room, but I need you to... Here, I'll pass that back to you. Let me see this bug. All right, now, can you be ready to push pause when I tell you to push pause? See the play pause button? All right. Go ahead. Pause. It's coming out right at this water line. Which tells me that there might be a break in the pipe. That's 2-inch. All right, so what I can do, it's 2-inch. I should be able to stick, we have a small camera. Okay. Should be able to stick the small camera in there. All right. You guys thirsty at all? I got water. Oh, no, we're good. Thank you. Yeah, no problem. All right. Can I set this on the fire? What? Yeah. You have
the flash drive's in it.
Okay.
Because that one you can close it.
So one of our plumber friends from California, he does the same thing we do. He saw one of the videos where you were having a hard time putting this into the plug-in part. And he said that if you feel it, there's this groove right here. We'll tell you that you always have to put this groove up. So then you'll know where to put it in.
The thing, I was having a hard time screwing it in somehow. I don't know. I do it all the time. I don't know why I was having such a hard day with it.
Well, I'm just letting you know what he told me to tell you.
Thank you for the advice, whoever you are.
His name's Ben Kuhn. He's from California. All right, so.
You want to wipe it on your jean?
No, I have jeans too.
Oh, why are your jeans look like leggings?
Do I ever wear leggings to work?
No, I was just saying, like, I don't look like leggings. That and you only have your blue ones on.
I was like, wake up.
Should probably put a warning for flashlights on this one. It's singing to us.
Alright, so I probably should take this off.
What is that?
It's called a skid.
What's it do?
So it keeps the camera head off the bottom of the pipe. This one doesn't have a footage reader.
But we have another key.
I think it's going to be right here where the issue is because I can't get past that point. Alrighty, so I have good news and bad news.
Oh god. Whatever. Bad news.
The bad news, the pipe's definitely broken.
Oh wow.
So this is what you're seeing is this is actually heading outwards. I have to do this carefully and push it back in a couple times, but because as soon as I pull back like that, it goes back underwater. So if I come up, you'll see the water's actually all the way down to the fitting that's gone. So what I'm assuming is that you have a 90 in the floor right here, and the 90 rotted out. Or this is a trap for the washer, which is probably more the case, but the trap is gone. The fitting just in the floor is gone. Looks like someone tried to snake it and broke it.
Broke the snake?
Yeah, see? This
Yeah.
piece here. That looks like a piece of someone's cable to me. Did anyone try to snake this? Did her brother-in-law try to snake it?
Yeah, I don't think he broke anything though. I'm not sure honestly if he did or not break it.
Because that's exactly what that is. That's a piece of a snake.
Mm-hmm.
That piece right there.
Yeah.
So that tells me that the pipe here is gone too. So it's basically just below the floor section right here.
That's where it's broken?
Mm-hmm. Right here. Just below here.
Okay, so that's where
Right.
it's broken. Okay. I'm going to call my girlfriend and have you explain it because she hates when I explain and I suck at it. So
That's fine. You know what you should do too? You should take a picture of this.
I will.
Phone. Because if I just barely bump that cable, I'm gonna lose this image. So.
It's gonna take a sec.
Yep.
So it's right under there is what we're looking at. I just want to make sure.
But either way, I mean, he's gonna have to cut.
Yeah.
A decent section so he can actually get his hands in there and get around the pipe to be able to do what he has to do.
Yeah.
So you're going to be without a washer and dryer for a little while.
Yeah, I kind of. It's been a few weeks already.
So, and he's going to have to, like I said, cut open a decent section of the floor. He might even have to go off to the sides.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully he doesn't have to go into that other room. I can't see why they would put all the plumbing over here and then run it that way and then out.
I don't think it. Hopefully it's not. I mean,
right. That's why I'm hoping it goes this way.
That'd be
out.
silly. Just gotta make sure.
Yeah.
All right. You want to talk to her and just explain this to her too?
Yeah, I can do that.
There you go. It's still ringing. Ah, sorry.
Oh, I think she hung up.
Oh. Jerk. Hey, she's gonna explain what happened.
Hey. Hi. So I put the camera in there And it looks like the break or the issue that's going on with the pipe is just below the floor right here.
Oh, like
Right where it goes down into the floor, yeah.
Okay.
So I have the camera in there now. It looks like part of the side of the pipe might be gone. And the bottom of the pipe. It is holding water, but just at the base of this. Other than that, the water's empty, which tells me that the bottom of the pipe might be gone as well. He did take a couple of pictures of our monitor at the same time. I'm sure he'll send them to you. It looks like somebody was having an issue with this before and tried to snake it because it looks like there's a piece of we call it a cable, stuck in the pipe.
Okay, I'm not surprised. Like the previous owner we found, like, did the quickest, cheapest option of fixing everything, so.
Right.
I mean, it's a relief to know that it's like right there anyway, and we don't have to take up the whole bathroom floor.
Right. It is going to be a decent section that he's probably going to have to take up, unfortunately. Just because he has to be able to get around the pipe. But other than that, yeah, it seems to be like the biggest issue you have is right here. Yeah, I wish I had better news for you, but yeah, so it's right here, just at the base. I don't know exactly which direction the pipe runs because I can't get the camera in there any farther because of these situations that I'm running into where it definitely looks like there's a piece of cable in there.
Okay.
So.
Alrighty.
Alrighty. So he said that you said your brother-in-law is a licensed plumber, so this is something he can definitely do. I don't know if he cuts floors open, but.
No, but we can figure that out.
Okay. Well, I do know if you need help, I do know a contractor that lives right down the street from you guys, so.
Okay, could you have my boyfriend write his name or contact information down just in case
Yeah.
my brother-in-law can't do it?
Yeah, I could definitely do that.
Awesome.
Alrighty. Here you go. Yep.
Alright, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Alrighty.
Just gonna do a few more. I don't
Yeah,
know.
take as many pictures as you need. You can take the locator back out to the truck. You can take that one back out to the truck and shut it off. And I need the phone so that I can get Beardsley's contact information.
Okay, I do know where we are after all. Wait, can I just stop this now? Can we just stop it now?
Yeah, you can stop it now. Alrighty, so I do know a contractor
Yeah.
literally 5 minutes down the road, so.
Yeah, we'll take his contact info and. Does normal licensed plumbers like cut through floors too, or is that just kind of like a specialty?
Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. It all depends. I don't know very many that will.
Yeah, I don't think he does, from what he was saying.
Yeah. Unfortunately, if this was outside the house and you're having an issue with the main line, that's something that we could do. We can handle the outside, but
Yeah.
you don't. We can't do inside stuff. But like I said, we know somebody that could at least cut the floor for you.
Yeah. Is this part of problem like with slab houses? Like if there was a basement, would it be easier to access this?
Yeah, because then you could just go right in from the ceiling.
Yeah.
Then you wouldn't have to worry about cutting open a
This is one of the things
jackhammer
her
up a
mom
floor.
was pissed off about getting a slab house.
Yeah.
Like, oh, we're fine, and then 1 month in.
No, I had to close that away so we didn't hear the dog talking.
Oh. Alrighty.
Do you take card like your phone, or is it check or?
Check is better so that we don't have to charge you the 4% fee for the
Okay.
credit card.
Yeah. I can. She wrote me a blank check because I don't have any right now.
Okay. Alrighty, everybody. So we're all set with that one. As crazy as it sounds, it's actually broken right in the floor. So they actually have to have their plumber come